Are you trying to log into other people's Zoom meeting, but for some reason you cannot get access? And in this video, I want to help you solve that problem. And 99% of the time, this is the most common problem I've seen from other people. Let me bring up my computer screen and let me show you step by step how to do it. So the most common problem I've seen is that when people try to click on other people's Zoom link, they cannot join. Mainly it's because they don't have a Zoom account, and also depending on if they are using it from the desktop or from their mobile phone, they probably haven't installed Zoom app on their device yet. So two things. The first thing I need you to do is to install the Zoom app on your desktop and also on your mobile phone. So you can join Zoom meetings from either your desktop or from your mobile phone. So I'm using the desktop as the example first. Very simple. You go to Google search bar, then type in Zoom download, then hit enter. So the very first one, download center for Zoom apps. Let's click on that. So I'm using a Windows computer. I can just download it from here. If you are using Mac, you should see a download option for your Mac. So let's download it. I already finished downloading it, but let me show you how it will look like. So this is the Zoom software that I downloaded into my computer. And let me show you the mobile version. You need to install it on your mobile phone. On desktop, you can access Zoom link from the browser version or from the app that you just downloaded. Okay, I'll show you exactly how that looks like. But when it comes to mobile phone, if you want to join people's meeting from your mobile phone, then you have to make sure you install the Zoom app on your mobile phone first. Otherwise, it won't work. So very simple. I'm using iPhone. Just go to the App Store. If you are using Android, you're going to go to your Google Store. So inside my App Store, I just simply click on search, then search for Zoom. So you can see here, it says open because I already downloaded and also installed it. So once you download Zoom software on your mobile phone and also on your desktop, we solve one challenge. The second thing you need to have is to have a Zoom account. So how to get that? You're going to go back to your Google browser. Then we just simply go to zoom.com. Then once you are on the zoom.com website, pay attention here. It says sign up free. So click on this one, then just get yourself a free Zoom account. So I already signed up mine. So next time, before you log into other people's meeting, you can either do it on the browser, right on the zoom.com. You can see here, it says sign in. I click on it. I can sign in from here. Make sure you sign in to your account first before you click on other people's Zoom link. That's how you join people's Zoom meeting. So this is browser version. I can do the same thing, pop up my Zoom app that we just downloaded. I can also sign in from here, right? I can sign in from here. So I can sign in from here, okay? Mobile version, same thing. Go to your mobile phone. I already signed in, okay? But you're gonna open up your Zoom app, then sign in to your Zoom account. After you have signed in into your Zoom account, now you can click on other people's Zoom meeting link to join that meeting. I hope this video solves your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video solved that you cannot log into the Zoom meeting issue. Then if you have other questions about using Zoom, drop them in the comment section as well. I'll see you in my next video. Let's go.